nandito ako sa mga isa sa mga shows nila na tinitrain nila mga animals, paano nila pinapakita na yung mga parades ng animals. So napakaganda ng show na ito. Tingnan nyo na lang sa likod.
Aside from a native of Cambodia and China, they're one of the most intelligent animals in the world. So we could say, and there goes the stick. Alright, and chewing, but she got the stick, and bench, and AJ, all you have to do is to touch Iggy. Wow, very good, so brave. Oh, bench, very good. Oh, come closer. And then, very good. Wow, that's correct. And because of that, I'll be giving you Flores Masterpiece.
So ginagawa ito for the kids, para ma-entertain ang mga kids. Napakaganda.
And of course, a souvenir book. Strong macho man, yes sir.
So, sa show na to, meron siyang audience interaction. So, kanina pa nila pinapa-interact ng audience, kaya walang boring movement. Kaya ngayon, ahas naman.
But you have to prove everybody that you are the behalf of the Zumbi Safari staff and of course our wonderful animal friends. We have
And I'll do anything you ever dreamed to be complete. Little pieces of nothing that fall. Put your arms around me.
So, right now, dito ako sa Super Train. So, ito parang close encounter siya sa mga animals dito sa Subic Safari. Medyo mainit ngayon, pero enjoy naman. Ngayon, ito na yung final na ride, yung Encounter with the Tigers. Safari ride ng Tigers. So, sasakay kami dito, mga customized cage para protektahan kami against the Tigers. So, close encounter with the Tigers. So, ito yung pinakamagandang part ng Subic Safari and pinaka-highlight nila.
Hi, sir! Take it! Alright.
Dito na kami sa loob ng customized car. Makikita nyo sa taas. Pwede pumunta dyan yung mga tigers or sa gilid. Actually, ito na sa gilid ko na yung tiger. So, enjoy. Lapit lang nila sa akin. No? So, yan, nasa likod ko lang. Papakaitin namin ng chicken.
I'm out of my head, I'm out of control, I'm out of my mind again, and I'm out of regrets, I'm letting you know, I'm letting you go, oh again, I'm out of my head.
Isa to sa mga best experiences dito sa Subic. Ito ang priceless experiences. Yung parang feeling mo ang lapit mo sa jungle. Napakalaki nila pag nakita mo in person.
Where you stand all day waiting.
Ganda. Pwede sana payagan kami lumapit sa kanila na walang short experience lang siya pero worthwhile naman. So yung 439 per person, worth na dito sa buong Subic Safari for a day. Meron pang night safari mamaya yung new attraction na dito sa Subic Safari.
My mind again, and I'm out of regrets, and I'm letting you know, I'm letting you go.
Close encounter kami ngayon with the tigers.
Bigger than the lion.
Cage sila.
Tigers are the only cat which has a black fur.
2 feet distance daw. 2 feet distance. So makikita mo sila. Talaga re-respetuhin mo dahil ang lalaki mga creatures talaga. Mas malaki pa nga sa
Male
akin.
tiger po, they have the big bang. Their
Ito,
nose to their tail.
nasa lion tayo.
Female measured of the
Hindi siya tiger lion, siya king of the jungle.
Here, a chief male lion. And mating. And they have a fur around meat for each.
Dito tayo sa female lion. Sila yung mga biggest cats of the jungle. Napakalaki, sobrang laki, nakaka-amaze. Mas malaki pa sila sa akin. Yung mga big cats of the jungle. Ayan, sinusundan na ako, nasa likod ko, tinitingnan ako.
Ito po yung aming female lion. This is the lioness.
Lioness. Ayan, amaze. Grabe, re-respetuhin mo sila. Sobrang laki nila talagang nakakatakot. Pero re-respetuhin mo lang napakaganda silang creatures. Talagang ang sarap nilang pag-aralan, obserbahan. Yung mga yan. Na dito makita yung ostrich farm.
And for the male, ostrich like to have fun with the female. That's why they get jealous. And if we go down to
Aggressive daw ang mga ostrich males. Nanga-attack daw sila. So, ingat kami. Bawal bumaba ng tram.
no use, 'cause I've seen better days. I've been star of minute plays. I've seen better days. I've seen better days. I've been star of minute plays.
Nandito kami sa Aida's Trail. Pinapanood namin yung mga rituals and performances ng Aida.
For them to be able to forecast the weather, they rely on the dragonflies. That every time po they see a lot of dragonflies in the lower altitude,
Beautiful. Check it out. I'm bent like glass, second hand like glory. Missed the bus.
whoever
So,
will
yung
be the best
pinapakita ko yan yung war
performer
dance
of
nila.
the dance will be the best warrior or fighter of their tribe. But anyway po,
Foot in the hole one.
Tuturuan akong kumana. Matry ko paano kumana. Bow and arrow. Tuturuan niya ako paano kumana.
Kuya Souvenir, Ate Ma'am, Sir Souvenir, Souvenir. Ano Souvenir, Ate Ma'am, Sir Souvenir.
I've seen better days. I've been star of minute plays. I've seen better days. I've seen
Bawat tira dito sa 10 piso.
days. I've been the star of so many plays. I walked on the edge with that hobo way.
Okay, medyo natuto na ako ng konti. Dito tayo sa last section ng Zubik Safari, yung mga crocodiles, mga Philippine crocodiles. So, Crocodilius mindorensis yata sila. Pero papag-aaralan ko kung ano. Para mamaya i-make sure ko i-correct ko sa sarili ko. Crocodilus mindorensis pala ang scientific name niya. Ito siya. So, 100 species ang meron kayo dito, kuya, no? 100 species ng Philippine crocodile. Kung gawin dito, pwede ka mag-chicken feeding. Chicken feed sila. Kaya naka-abang yung mga crocodile. Mga gutom na gutom sila.
I do deeply dig, no walls, only the bridge. My supper dish, my crocketesh wish. Sing it, baby.
Namingit ako ng crocodile. So, yan. Mag-fishing tayo. I-feed tayo ng crocodiles.
Pagpakain na namin. Thank you po.
Groove is in the heart. Groove is in the heart. Groove is in the heart. That's for mama. Groove is in the heart.
Watch out.
The depth of hula groove moves us to the end hoop. We'll go to on here's a who. I couldn't ask for another. No, I couldn't ask for another. DJ Soul was on a roll. I've been told he can't be sold. He's not vicious or malicious, just lovely and delicious. I could
ipipit yung bearcat. Ayaw nilang ipahawak eh. Kaya pipit ko na lang. Malakas ba itong kumain? Tako ba?
Malakas din po.
Aggressive ba sila? 10 pesos lang, ipipit nyo na sila. So ang gusto ko dito sa zoo na to kasi napaka-interactive natin, di katulad sa iba, tinitingnan mo lang ito, napaka-interactive natin. Pati yung mga audience sa mga shows, lahat napaka-interactive. Ito ang panalo sa zoo na to.
Dito lang.
I'm keeping my affair in a box.
Depende sa pagkano ng hangin na dito. Depende sa pagkano ng hangin.
So anong tawag dyan kuya? Anong tawag dyan?
Sumpit po.
Sumpit o blowgun. Gagawa na ako ni kuya.
Oo. Asa mo yan.
Salamat.
Naging ano ko na kasi experience ng mga galing sa amin nagre-research ng mga ganito. Binibigyan ko lang para pagdating ng araw, hindi naman pirang kapalit kundi pagkatao o pakikipagkapwa.
Tama po. Salamat.
There's always some distraction. Shiny red balloon and spark.
So yan, meron rin tayong crocodile feeding sa night safari.
Such practical and harmonious lines. But I'm
So andito ako ngayon sa Greyhound Walk. Madilim, pero yung Jungle Trail, isa sa mga attractions rin dito sa night safari. So meron kang greyhound na hawak-hawak, winawalk ka tapos yun, may trail kayo pinaka.
just like we imagined it, and it's so hard to do.
Presenting our animals on parade.
Are you? Well, you have a close encounter with our own collection of reptiles. Coming out, the art South America. Next is the Burmese python. From Southeast Asia is the blue-tongued skink. From New Guinea and Indonesia, they use their blue tongue as a bluff warning. And now, the green iguana, a native of Paraguay, can reach the length of 5 feet from head. Is walking on a narrow steel bridge, and beneath it, lying are freshwater crocodiles. Now this, known as Crocodilus mindorensis, endemic here in the Philippines. The key to the speed of greyhound can be found in its light, muscular build, and large heart, with combination of loud are the ostriches, large whiteless bird, native loud are the Dorper sheep, South African breed of domestic sheep, and second, and now the Boer goats, developed in South
Napakagandang
Africa.
experience.
They have superior
Mga parade ng
mothering
animals sa
skills
night show,
compared
night
to
safari.
other goats.
2 thumbs up. Kaya punta na kayo dito sa Zoo Big Safari, lalo na mag night safari, napakaganda. Every Saturdays, 5 to 10 p.m.
And now the Kalahari goats from the Kalahari Desert of Indonesia. When surprised or nothing catches their interest from West and Central Africa. Western sea eagle from Southeast Asia. The eagle owl, endemic here in our country. Palm civet cat, locally known as the musa. First is the porcupine, locally known as durian cat, the largest of the civet cat family, and proud to say, coming out are the fallow deer. They are from Europa. They can grow to a maximum height of approximately 3 feet. As you can see, some of our buffaloes are painted in commemoration of the local festival. And these are the donkey. From western United States of America, they are tigers. See them closer as they jump and pounce on our safari jeep. And I see our safari. Share your memorable moments and help us spread the word. Join us on our next safari adventure, only here in Zubik. Now, the animal parade was made possible by the animal keepers of Zookeeping Department.
Amazing sa show na to is yung last part, yung fire dance. Grabe, nakaka-amaze. Talagang mapapawaw ka talaga, kaya it's a must-see. Wow, wow.
After the show, you may have your pictures
Punta
taken
na kayo
with
dito,
any
wag na kayo
of the
magpapahuli.
brothers. They are accepting donations.
It's been 1 week since you looked at me. Cocked your head to the side and said I'm angry. 5 days since you laughed at me, saying get that together, come back and see me. 3 days since the living room. I realized it's all my fault, but couldn't tell you. Yesterday you'd forgiven me, but it'll still be 2 days till I say I'm sorry.
Hold it now, I want to hoodwink. Does it make you stop think? You'll think you're looking at Aquaman. I summon fish to the dish, although I like the chalet Swiss, I like the sushi, cause it's never touch a frying pan. Hot like
Yan. Tapos na aking Zubik Safari Adventure. Gusto ko mag-thank you kay April Esposo and sa mga staff ng Zubik Safari kasi napaka-accommodating nila sa akin. Hindi nila pinabayaan si Happy Loner Traveler kaya hindi ko naramdaman na mag-isa ako dito sa lugar na to. Lahat sila napaka-accommodating. Pati nga itong camel napaka-accommodating, mukhang hahalikan pa ako. Ayan o. So, thank you sa Zubik Safari for inviting me here. Mukhang hahalikan pa ako nito. So, thank you sa Zubik Safari for inviting me here. Nag-enjoy ako and thank you dahil not because of Zubik Safari nilibre nila ako dito. So ang tour ko dito libre, lahat ng zipline, safari ride, close encounter, dito sa mini park, sa entrance. So lahat libre, wala akong ginastos na isa. So thank you so much to Zubik Safari and April Esposo. Thank you so much for inviting me here and the staff, yung mga friends mo dito. Thank you so much. Kaya mas masarap pag libre. Yun lang masasabi ko. So puntahan nyo na ang Zubik Safari, one of the best here in the Philippines, in Northern Luzon. One of the best zoos na makikita mo at makaka-encounter mo at interactive ang relationship mo with the animals here. Hindi yung basta tinitingnan mo lang sa cage or pinupunta mo lang, ikaw pa yung papasok sa cage at ikaw pa yung lalapitan nila. So, thank you again April Esposo and thank you for everything. Thank you Zubik Safari, nag-enjoy ako.
Funny when you're mad, trying hard not to smile, though I feel bad. I'm the kind of guy who laughs at a funeral. Can't understand what I mean, you soon will. I have a tendency to wear my mind on my sleeve. I have a history of losing my shirt. It's been 1 week.